How to find certifications on Indeed job search. Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to find certifications on Indeed job search app. So the first thing we do is we go to the app, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you click on those three lines here, and after that choose settings, and now go to job seekers, and then you will find certifications. Click on it, and here you go. Here you will find a lot of certifications that you want, and you can search from here and search for the city. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.